Welcome back to Sandra's Homestead for Thursday, July 7th. You'll see here on the right of the video, we have the genie lift holding up the last piece of the east side bent. It's a top plate and some posts and braces that the rafters for the shed porch will rest on. The other half is laying down in the back. We had to use carpet dollies to roll it across once we got it onto the porch. That's going to go up tomorrow. And of course, you saw yesterday that we did the front porch. Now I'm going to walk around to the front of the house, the west side. And another milestone has been reached because that east side bent, the two pieces, that's the last of the timber frame Wayne and I had to put together. Very exciting. And now you'll see on the front another milestone. The metal's going on. We purchased 24 gauge standing seam 19.5 inch panels with 1.5 inch ribs. And they've gotten, I'd say, a little more than half done on the front side. We're going to have copper colored soffit and fascia. The drip edge will be black though. And we'll walk around to the back. Wayne finished putting the 2 inches rigid foam and tape on the north side of the house. That was accomplished today. We're going to have a busy day tomorrow trying to get that roof on because we have to lose our genie lift. Our 8,000 pound telehandler goes back at 4 o'clock. They're coming to get it. We rented it for a month. And there you have it. So this side's ready for strapping and then siding. So thanks so much for watching Sandra's Homestead. Lucky, do you have anything to say? How do you think it's coming? Do you like it? Lucky's been supervising as usual. Keeps us all on our tasks. But thanks so much for watching our channel. We really appreciate it. And we'll be back tomorrow. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please feel free to do so. Take care.